Success is the sum of small efforts repeated day in and day out. Hello everyone, welcome to UGC Net Commerce Simplified, a channel dedicated to making your UGC Net Commerce preparation easy, conceptual, and meaningful. I'm Nikita Singh and I'm truly grateful that you choose to learn with me today. Before we begin, I humbly request to like this video, share it with your friends, and subscribe to the channel. Your one small gesture of support really inspires me to continue creating simple and quality educational content for you. Coming on to the topic, economic environment of business in India. So, what is economic environment? The economic environment refers to all those external economic factors that influence the functioning, performance, and decision making of a business organization. In simple terms, it includes economic conditions, policies, and structures that affect how business operate in our country. Coming on to components of economic environment, let's understand the main component that form India's economic environment. First is economic system. It refers to the type of economy, capitalist, socialist, or mixed. India follows a mixed economic system where both public and private sectors coexist. Next is economic policies. Government policies related to industrial development, fiscal policy, monetary policy, foreign trade, and taxation have a direct impact on business operations. Economic conditions, including factors like income level, inflation rate, unemployment, interest rate, and overall GDP growth. Economic planning. So, India's 5-year plans, now Niti Aayog framework, set long term goals for economic growth and development. Last is global economic environment. So, the international trade system, FDI trends, and global market fluctuations also shape India's business landscape. Coming on to economic environment in India. So, after independence, India adopted a planned economic system to promote balanced growth and reduce poverty. In 1991, the new economic policy introduced liberalization, privatization, and globalization, marking a major shift towards a market driven economy. Since then, India has emerged as one of the fastest growing economies with significant progress in manufacturing, services, and infrastructure. Next is recent trends in India's economic environment. So, focus on digitalization and innovation through programs like Digital India and Startup India, emphasize on self reliance, Atmanirbhar Bharat to strengthen domestic industries, growth in service sectors such as IT, finance, and telecommunications, encouragement of FDI inflows through simplified policies, and last is increasing importance of sustainable development and green initiatives. So, the role of economic environment in business. So, the economic environment influences business decisions related to investment, pricing, and production, consumer demand and spending behavior, availability of resources like labor and capital, competitiveness and profitability of industries. So, in short, a stable and growth oriented economic environment encourages business to expand and innovate. Coming on to challenges in India's economic environment. So, regional and income inequalities, inflationary pressures, slow industrial growth in some sectors, high dependence on service sectors, unemployment, and underemployment. At last, I would like to conclude this topic by saying that the economic environment of India is dynamic and constantly evolving. It provides vast opportunities for growth but also demands adaptability and innovation from business. For UGC NET aspirants, understanding this topic helps you connect macroeconomic policies with real world business implications. A healthy economic environment is like fertile soil. It helps business grow, sustain, and contribute to national progress. So keep learning because knowledge is the foundation of every great success. Thank you so much for watching UGC NET Commerce Simplified. I hope today's video helped you understand the concept of India's economic environment more clearly. If it did, please do not forget to like, share, and subscribe. Your support truly means the world to me. Stay focused, stay kind, and keep learning because every small step takes you closer to your dream. See you soon in the next video. Thank you.